SMX. Customary SMX escalator shot. It's gonna run us for around 30 to 40 seconds, right? There's a couple of Christmas parties happening upper halls. SM Prime is one of them. The other one is chemists or something. Wanna play 20 questions? Are you dead? It's an awfully long escalator. See you guys around. SM Light. SM Fame.
Hey! You made it to the end of the video. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you enjoy similar content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to help us make more stuff, share the video with your friends and circles. Consider checking out our other channels. We have dedicated channels for hobbies, games, and other stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. OC Mallrat out.
Hey guys, holiday traffic update for December 2025. We are in front of Megamall. It is 9:30, 10 p.m. And as you guys can see, northbound EDSA is packed. Southbound is flowing, but it's slow. There's northbound EDSA right there in the background. That's building C. Okay. 10 p.m. by the way. I think people are going home this week. This is the last Friday before Christmas. So it's 19th, 20 and 21st is Saturday and Sunday. So 22nd and 23rd is Monday and Tuesday, so I think people are already going home, which is why super traffic. Yeah, I don't think people are gonna be coming to work on Monday and Tuesday, because 24 is already Wednesday, or rather Wednesday is already 24. You guys can see southbound is flowing actually towards Makati. I just got off the train and I'm gonna be megamalling until midnight, then I go home. But the train ends at like 11 something, so the only other choice is Carousel, except they haven't finished the Carousel bus station at in front of Mega Building A. When you guys are watching this, you're probably finished by now. So the Carousel station is still at Ortigas MRT, which is 24/7. Anyway, see you guys around. I'm going up for a while. Gonna hang out with Megamall.